The Rhine International Group of Institutions, with 128 schools across 18 states in our country and abroad, is one of the premier educational institutions in the country. This year, they celebrated the Children's Day in a unique way on the 14th of November.
Today, as we celebrate some of the achievements that we have reached with the Food Bucket Challenge, it is a great milestone. It hasn't been an easy task. We set ourselves high to reach the goal of distributing 1 million kilos of food grain.
This event was organized to recognize and acknowledge the magnanimous contributions made by the Rhine students, their parents, and citizen support towards their unique initiative, the Rhine Schools Food Bucket Challenge. This was launched in Mumbai under the visionary guidance of Dr. A.F. Pinto, Chairman, and Madam Grace Pinto, Managing Director of the group.
It's a good challenge to raise food for the poor children, the destitute, the children in the streets, those who have no food to eat, to feed them at least once, and to supply the food grains to the orphanages, to the NGOs, wherever the children are looked after by various NGOs, and to help them to have food for the children of this nation.
The generous contributions received indeed made a big difference in the lives of the poor and the needy. Since its launch, over 12,000 children from various orphanages and NGOs have been provided a hot, nutritious meal. Currently, over 300,000 kgs have been collected and distributed to more than 40 NGOs serving the poor and the needy. On behalf of these children, the Rhine Group felicitated the generous contributors during this event. Felicitating these parents were a host of dignitaries. Dr. Rajan Velukar, Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University, was the chief guest of the program.
Let me congratulate the Rhine International Group for organizing such a wonderful event here today. At the same time, all of us must thank the founders of this group because they have given us an opportunity and an access to education which will make your life successful. Thank you very much, Madam, for giving an opportunity.
Shaina NC, spokesperson of the BJP, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, Additional Director General Doordarshan, Mr. Rajiv Singh Sahani, Asia Pacific Head of Yahoo, Sanjeevani Belande, Bollywood singer, and the beloved Dadi Ali Asgar of Comedy Nights with Couple. Lyricist Manoj Muntashir and Prashant Hingole too were there to felicitate the parents, along with Dr. Shrikande of Tata Memorial Hospital.
फूड बकेट चैलेंज इट्स रियली सुपर एक्सीलेंट।
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा ये चीज़ देख के। डॉक्टर पिंटो ने बहुत अच्छा ये प्रोग्राम रखा है कि गरीब बच्चों के लिए। बहुत मेरे को खुशी हुई अंदर से।
Such kind of an initiative, it's really appreciated. Learn a lot more about humanity.
What amazing torch bearers you have in this woman of substance and this man of steel. I really feel proud to be associated with the Ryan family, and I would like to make a small donation of 1,11,000.
Come on, let's call for a big celebration.
I'm really happy to be here, a part of it. I would love to do such things more and more in future.
फूड बकेट चैलेंज में पहली बार आया हूँ और देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। जो दिया उसको बहुत कम दिया मैंने और आगे से मतलब ऐसा जितना दिया उससे 5-6 गुना ज़्यादा देना चाहता हूँ।
As every parent, I would love to have the best for my child. Having him admitted to Ryan, I knew that the foundations are strong for him, but such initiatives have no words to express.
And the school management has come up with a good cause of giving and sharing. That's a good cause.
Today is a great day, and it's my pleasure to attend this ceremony. And I love all. According to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, always says the walk on footprints of the greats, and there is no words to explain about Ryan International.
Ryan family, what a privilege. Putting the values of giving. We all receive, we love to receive. But our children learning in the formative ages of values of giving, there's a great future for our nation. This is just the beginning. And it's our proud privilege to be participating with you this day. Thank you for allowing us to be part of this. God bless you.
The campaign started by the Ryan Foundation is really great, and each and every child should have food before sleeping. That's most important. And what they have done is really good, and we are definitely with them.
Food Bucket Challenge is a great initiative taken by Ryan International. I think that they should continue it for until the poverty or hunger ends. This should go on.
I feel so proud to be standing here. And about this big initiative that Ryan has taken, I just have one thing to say. In some Hindi poetry during my school days, I had read कि हर भूखे इंसान को चांद रोटी जैसा नज़र आता है. उसकी भूख इतनी होती है कि उसको चांद में भी रोटी दिखती है. तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि रयान ने लाखों लोगों में चांद बांट दिए.
Such a great initiative by the Ryan Foundation to do that. I would like to request the Ryan Foundation, if there is anything, I would love to come and do whatever we can.
बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है, क्योंकि हमारे कंट्री में ऐसे लोग हैं कि जिनको कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलता है, और जो है कि उनके पास बहुत कुछ है. तो ये पहुंचाने की इच्छा भी रहती है लोगों की, लेकिन कैसा भेजने का किसी को मालूम नहीं रहता. तो ये मैडम ने बहुत अच्छा एक मार्ग दिखा है, उसके थ्रू गरीब को कुछ खाने के लिए मिलता है, उनको खुशी मिलती है, हंसी मिलती है.
It was really amazing, out of expectation, and it is really very inspiring for the new generation to come up. I was really very excited about it.
जो पिंटू मैम ने स्टार्ट किया वो बहुत अच्छा है, बच्चों को इससे हेल्प हो सकती है.
It was very wonderful to be a parent of Ryan International School, and it was a great opportunity for us.
Through a student contributing to the nation, those who are hunger, it is a very wonderful chance to us to share with the school, share with the student, and share with the parents. Thanks a lot.
It is truly inspiring to see what you have done. I would certainly continue to work together with you for all nice causes with great pleasure.
I truly believe, which I learnt in school, was the culture is a tree which grows from the top, and with Ryan Management and Foundation, with such people at the top, that's why the culture to give and to participate in such events across the nation was such huge, and I have been following it. It's just been fantastic. Thank you all, for both of you, for this.
This food bucket has shown the good way by which from where we have to donate. So I'm very thankful to Grace Pinto for showing us this good way.
हे जे चालू केलेलं आहे फूड बकेट, मिस पिंटोने ते खूपच छान केलेलं आहे. ह्याचा आम्हाला सपोर्ट आहे आमचा, कधीही केव्हाही.
We are very, very happy to be a part of this, and thank you so much to the Ryan Foundation and the Ryan School, and that we got a chance to do this, and this is really overwhelming to see the kids being fed, and together we will surely make a difference.
आप लोगों ने अभी से ही बहुत सारे अवार्ड जीते हैं, और उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि जिनको अवार्ड्स नहीं मिले हैं वो लोग भी कोशिश करेंगे, और अगले साल हम लोग फिर मिलेंगे. Namaskar. Thank you very much.
This is a practical program that we'll listen just that people don't get a food, but it is a practical approach and it is directly given to them. It's very good.
This is truly a wonderful initiative and a very inspirational moment, ma'am and Ryan, for us to be associated. On behalf of the entire Kotak family, I can tell you this is a very proud moment for us, and I can assure you that we are with you every step of the way.
I am very proud to be associated with this noble cause, and I am really proud to say that yes, I have contributed a little bit.
I thought it is a great opportunity to all the people to come forward and give their sharing to those people who are not having anything.
I am overwhelmed and thankful to God that He has given me this opportunity to be associated with the Ryan Group Sub-School.
First of all, thank Ryan School for conducting such a beautiful program, and behind it, the thought of the food challenge is immense. The country needs it. And as an organization, I would say the leadership in this, so I won't call it a school, it's an organization. It's a big organization. which is participating, apart from the education, commitment towards the education, is participating in the ownership of societal responsibility at large, which is something very interesting and important for all our education institutes.
Grateful to the Ryan School for giving us the opportunity to serve the people of India. My child who's studying here will grow up thinking that tomorrow if I become big and I, share my food with other people, I become bigger. You don't become smaller by giving away things, you become bigger.
Madam ने जो across the country drive चलाया है, it is just a starting because we know the food in our country for poor.
I've seen Ryan family actually planning this initiative from day one, and I know how much effort has gone into this, and I just hope everyone takes this seriously and we all pledge to achieve that 1 million target.
It teaches all of us the joy of giving. It teaches all of us that we should selflessly give out to those who need it, those who need help.
बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें फूड बकेट चैलेंज में ओपन पूल में, और हम भी बाकी सारे लोगों से भी कहेंगे कि आप भी डोनेट कीजिए फूड बकेट, तो अच्छा लगता है।
पिंटू मैडम और सर ने जो कुछ भी किया है इसमें मैं भी वो हूँ, और बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, और इसमें आगे और करने की चाहता है।
Nice organization by the Rain groups and the help to the helpless, to the hungry people.
Congratulations to everyone whosoever donated for this wonderful thing. God bless you. Thank you.
मैं बहुत प्रभावित होता हूँ इन सब चीज़ों से, और मैं वो सारी चीज़ करता हूँ, और मैं कोशिश करूँगा सारे बच्चे करें, और सारे टीचर्स, बच्चे, उनके पेरेंट्स। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
I think 1 million kilogram of food grains, which has to be target, that has been the target. And man, you come out with new ideas all the time. And is that as a broadcaster, I am supposed to do a lot of new things, but I'm so happy that in the society itself, you're paying back so much and with so much of efforts. So can we have a big round of applause for members?
This laudable initiative by the Ryan Group is gaining momentum and moving close to the target of bringing 1 million smiles on the faces of the hungry, the poor and the needy. Have you taken up the Ryan School's Food Bucket Challenge?
We want to challenge you to the
Ryan School Food Bucket Challenge!